Smalls, y'all. Can't you see?
Just hypnotize me.
And I just love your jazzy way. Extra break love, here to stay. On and on and on, she kept on.
I'm good enough right there.
Shut up, y'all. Give her a kiss. I said you can't have it. I'm too young for you, miss. She says no, you're not. She starts crying. I'm 45 now, y'all. Walk, talk, eat, spit, bars. Guys, you can't see me, even with a patch on my arm. I'm dreaming. All in the grill of the gruesome country. Set it down on my schedule. I aim to be. I'm not doing the legendary. I'm more than interested. How to cook foods. I even make Salvation Army clothes look good.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that for around with. I heard about more than states like that. Don't ask me who the best. North, south, east, where any fresh dress. Do on body shoes in fly green. Fresh dress like million. Do on the body saddle. Somebody say, oh! Yeah, just having a good time, you know? Everybody come on! Don't stand to side like this! Come on! Stand to side like this! Let the beat say! Hey, young world! Hey, young world! Hey, young world! This rap is a constant story song. Why don't you listen and learn? Love beats, that's what's strong. Choose to that's quick wrong. Times have changed, it's cool to look for me and me. Don't tell me, disrespect money. Have you forgot what you want, Miss Earth? Who what you want, bro? Love you since your birth. The war is a brainwash, kids going wild. Young little girls already have a child. Bad company, now you've been trained. Parents alert it, hurt it. Do it in yourself, bad moms can't close. Hey little, don't follow these ropes. Room from a non-fool. Your life don't prove. Be no fool like some that don't go to school. Get ahead, accomplish things. You'll see the one that your life brings. Don't admire your feet, they don't admire you. Their time limited, hard rock still. To listen, be strong, scream will be good. Go for yours, cause dreams come. And you'll make your mother so proud of you. And this is the message, me at home school, and it's true. Now throw your hands up like this, y'all, some positivity, y'all. Like this, y'all. Hey, young world. Hey, young world. Clap your hands, dude. This one. Alright. We going to Jamaica with y'all real quick, y'all. Get out. Check. Listen, y'all. Step on, turn up to the man, step on, turn up, come on, turn up to the man, turn up, come on, show, tell her close. When I turn out to the man, tell her yourself down. Let me start, I'll tell you what it take over again. I'm talking about you, New York, set up. When I turn out to the man, tell her so tell her close. Come on, turn out to the man, tell her show, say ho!
What's the secret stuff?
All the Caribbeans in the house, make some noise! What's going on? What's on the agenda, DJ? So now what's on the agenda is that we must talk to the ladies.
Looking for your what, man?
Alright, talk to the ladies. Let's go. This is slow one, y'all. Remember this one, y'all? All the ladies say, don't hurt me again. Say, don't hurt me again. This is slow one, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Here's a thought from the old school crew. A serious situation we all go through. It deals with your feelings. Hear what I say. It's like a day when nothing seems to go your way. What's this? Two people, they really like each other. This is someone else. She says there is no other. The feeling's the same. You receive a notion. Reveal inner thoughts. Deeply in emotions. Precious times. Hoping they go in. Tell your mother about your number. Also your best friend. Your mighty proud. Holding their hands, boys. That's my woman, girl, that's my man. Person brings a certain walk to your heart. Everything seems so great at the start. But she loves him, and he also loves her. And it's hard to turn back to a person you were. Later on, problems start to occur. The bond which combines you turns into a blur. The feelings were the same, now here's the score. You love them too much, and they don't love you anymore. It's your attitude, another, because you're not being true. Or maybe they're just plain sick of seeing you. Word. Now it might seem strange, you gotta take hits quick. Make the right change, cause just when you swore the ball was rolling, they're gone. Part of your heart's been stolen. Get back on your feet when we're hopping a skip. But no, we rather go with a dead relationship. Hanging around and buying them stuff. See them every darn day, don't see them enough. Follow them around and they claim you're hawking. Conversation comes, you'll do all the talking. I mention attention, we all need a bit. Behind your back they say, he's one of mine. They're getting sick of you and quite annoyed. Your happiness for the future is now destroyed. So what was happening and you still let it? If you ever let it make love to your girls, you can't forget it. Sweetheart, you're being caught in a spin around Brooklyn faster than you thought. And break up time, you'll receive the words. This is from the heart, I know that part hurts. Get over it and don't take no, because if it ain't true love, you shouldn't deal with it. Just think of your future, what is to come. Pay attention to the words in this song. They go, don't hurt me again.